নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। আজকে আমার ইউটিউব এপিসোড নাম্বার 99 দেখতে দেখতে প্রায় 99টা এপিসোড হতে শুরু করলো, মানে হচ্ছে আর কি। আর এর সাথে সাথে আমি আজকে দেখাবো নানান রকমের ইকোনমিক্যাল রেঞ্জ 4000 এর মধ্যে নানান রকমের শাড়ি গিফটের জন্য, তত্ত্বতে দেওয়ার জন্য, কাউকে প্রেজেন্ট করার জন্য, এরকম নানান রকম কিছু ইকোনমিক্যাল রেঞ্জ শাড়ি দেখাবো। সুতরাং দেখতে থাকুন, আশা করি ভালো লাগবে। সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 এপিসোড 99। ফার্স্টলি আমি আজকে এটা লিনেন দিয়ে দেখাই। এটা লিনেন বেনারসি, লিনেনের সাথে চান্দেরি লিনেন আর কি। দিজ আর নট হ্যান্ডলুম প্রোডাক্টস, এগুলো পাওয়ারলুম অফকোর্স, কারণ রেঞ্জটা খুবই রিজনেবল। দেখুন এটার মধ্যে একটা ভীষণ সুন্দর স্লেট কালার, তার মধ্যে কিন্তু জিওমেট্রিক উইভিং করা হয়েছে ইন অ্যান্টি গোল্ড, কপার গোল্ড অ্যান্ড উইথ রেশম থ্রেড। বর্ডারটার মধ্যে কিন্তু একটা টিস্যুর ওপর সিলভার দিয়ে পুরোটা উইভিং করা হয়েছে ইন রোজ মোটিভ। বিউটিফুল woven border in antique copper gold with silver. This is the pallu, a very smart looking pallu, geometric pallu, 3650, 3650 rupees Chanderi Banarasi, cotton Chanderi Banarasi, and very comfortable, very reasonably priced, and very unique color combination also. Very you can gift it to your elderly person also. And see, it has a lovely brocade blouse piece. Just check out the blouse piece, how lovely this blouse piece is. It's a beautiful woven blouse piece along with a beautiful woven broad border. In lower border is a bit broader than the upper border. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the numbers provided. Once we receive the once we confirm you the availability of the product, we will give you the business account, current account, bank details, and after payment it will be shipped to you. So this is another color of the same sari, magenta. See, it's a beautiful magenta color. These are all single pieces, not much, you'll get more variety in this if you visit the store, but these are all single pieces. 3650, again with the copper and a silver zari woven floral border. It's a beautiful border, and see the body weave also, it's in geometric body weave. All the products, I'll drape it for you, I'll show you closely, so be sure when you're booking. Again, let me tell you, just you have to take the screenshot and WhatsApp to the number given. So this is the blouse piece of this sari. Again, the woven blouse piece. It's a beautiful woven blouse piece, so it will look very rich once you wear it. And this is the whole look of the product. Grand look, and price only 3650, magenta color. Reasonably priced and very that's number 2A and B. So there are two AB concept in this, so please check out the number, since these are the colors in this. See the black one, this is 3A. I'll just show you this way. It's a beautiful sari in jet black, woven. Also see the lower part, the roses, copper and silver rose. This is the blouse piece. Beautiful sari. (3B). It's a mauvish gray color, bluish gray. It's a navy blue kind of a color. All Chanderi Banarasi. Lovely shade, lightweight and comfortable blouse piece. This is again Chanderi, but this is in solid color, no buta, solid color. This is also in magenta. And see the blouse piece. Firstly comes the blouse piece along with the pallu, and then this is the sari. A very smart looking sari because it has no buta, and one side it has cotton patni woven border. See, it's a resham chanderi. It has a lovely weave texture in between also in the product. At the same time, it's like a patni weave woven border. And price is this 4A. Price is 3,250 rupees with pallu and woven blouse piece. Pallu and woven blouse piece. See, lovely shade. We have many variety in this. I've done previous episodes also in this way, in these kind of products with different in different designs. So you can check out our Facebook page, the Weaves and Looms album. The Weaves and Loom album will have these kind of products, and also in the album the saris within 4,000. There you can see many more options in this kind of range and designs also. Saris within rupees 4,000. There is another album. The Facebook page link is given in the description below. So you can just click on the link, like the page and check out the photos. You have to subscribe to Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube channel to get regular notifications. Press the bell icon so that you can get all the regular uploads of the videos that I do. This is it's a lovely Viridian green, again Resham Banarasi Viridian green. This is the border. Soft, lightweight, very comfortable. This is the pallu, and of course this is the blouse piece. Again the brocade woven blouse piece. See the color. The upper part narrow border, the lower part the broader floral border. All these still pictures will be uploaded in the Facebook page once the video is released, and then you can have a look at the pictures also. Also check out our Facebook page. Again, let me Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, the Instagram page also, and also the WhatsApp status, where we are uploading regular new stock, new collection, and also notifications like sometimes if we are doing an extra episode in between the week or anything of that sort, all the new uploads will be our showroom timing. Like now Kolkata lockdown, we are allowed to open from 11 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So a little bit increased timing. So you can visit the Cornfield Road branch, 11 to 6 we are open. This is 5A, price 3,250. Rani color blouse piece in brocade again, 3,250, black patni woven border, very soft, lightweight, comfortable and very skin friendly. Even though these are not silk product, these are cotton based product, but these are extremely good quality and very comfortable, skin friendly, and done by, you can see from the look itself that it is very rich weave. The blue one, royal blue. Pallu and the blouse, brocade. This is the border. So the whole sari comes similarly. Now shifting to tissue. Not at all see-through. 2,990 rupees only, 2,990. Again, let me show you the back side. Very well woven and very neat. And see the color. It's in turquoise with a rama green kind of a color with Meena woven border. very rich look, very grand, gorgeous look. Product number 6, 2,990 rupees. This is the pallu and the blouse piece along with the pallu. All weaves of Banaras. Comfortable, lightweight, soft, economical and very good for summer formals also. Ideal for gifting now. You can do this collection for the coming pujas. Black, but since it has the weave, zari weave, it's looking like snuff color, but it's looking very rich color. This black and gold with touch of magenta. This is a very pretty color. See how grand it is looking. One thing I just want to bring to your notice, that many of my pictures of especially Madhubani and Kalamkari is being rotated in different groups and in different other boutiques and all. Please let me tell you that we have only 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We do not supply to any of these groups or anything. There are many who are doing, not 1 or 2, there are many who are using my photos. They are not even cropping anything. They are just using my photo, my background, my the whole me. They are using my whole pictures and they are uploading in their pages and in various groups. So please be beware of these kind of fraud doings. Let me tell you again that we have only 2 branches in Kolkata. Sanskriti Kolkata is only in Kolkata. 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. The blouse piece is in brocade. Oh, a lovely pink. 2990. Please WhatsApp only in the numbers provided. In case of any emergency, only then make a call. Otherwise, please WhatsApp only. We will definitely reply to you within 24 hours. And after payment, the shipping will be done in 2 to 3 working days. 2990, product number 8, 2990 in rich tissue woven Banarasi. It's the basic fabric is in resham. It's cotton blended silk, soft, lightweight. With Meena woven border. The Meena Buta is in orange and Rani. It's a lovely piece. This is the sari with blouse piece. I'll show you another color. But here the design changes because it is without Meena border. This is narrow border and the color is a beautiful fresh peach color. We love this color, and especially with gold. See how pretty this combination is. Peach, narrow border, both side narrow border with big buttas. This is the pallu. So soft and lightweight, I can feel it, and it gives a lovely sheen also because of the tissue weave. Very reasonably ranged, but the look is very rich, especially when you want to gift it to your loved ones. These kind of range and this kind of look and quality, of course. This is the blouse piece in stripes, zari stripe blouse piece. This is the sari. Now Product number 10. I have 4-5 colors in this: black, royal blue, even the mannequin is wearing the same color, same design. This price is, I'll tell you, in case I miss out any of the prices, I'll tell, this is 3250. We have, this is another color, it's in maroon with rich satin woven border with zari buta. One is light gold and one is antique gold. Zari buta border, big border. The body will be in check linen. 3250 with blouse piece. Even the one that I am showing you, product number 10. This is a similar one. It's in brown color. See the blouse. That will also have a similar blouse. This is the blouse piece. See the checkered sari with the lovely contrast woven border. 3250. So this is one color. This is one color. I've got black and I've got royal blue and this maroon also. 3250. The neck piece, the kundan neck piece that the mannequin is wearing is priced rupees 2200. The kundan neck piece 2200. And even these ready-made blouses, silk ready-made embroidered blouse, these are also available in the showroom. So we have sizes in this also. Product number 11. A. Tanchoi, Resham Tanchoi. See the weave in midnight blue. Beautiful all over, self on self woven with a touch of zari in between the flowers and the leaves. These are all Tanchoi weave, so much weave, but see the back side, it's so neat finish. Pallu. Soft again, lightweight, very comfortable, and since you know these are very the whole, see the blouse piece also, it's in two-tone, solid color blouse piece, two-toned. Very rich look. Another color B, orange, pinkish orange, 4500, 4500 rupees. These are all dual tone. This is reddish orange. The body will be in red and the weave will be in orange. Four 500. So much of weave and within 5000 range, 4500 rupees, and this is the blouse piece. Solid color blouse because the body is fully woven. So this is the, and let me tell you, these won't be stiff. These will have a great fall. A, emerald green, pallu, blouse, the previous one was in reddish tone, this is in pinkish tone. Just See the rich colors, for the young brides or to gift somebody's wedding, also for anniversaries, for any sister, cousin. Beautiful piece. Same price, 4500 with Rani Kana blouse piece and border. Yeah, this is the blouse piece with the border. Now coming to the fabric that I'm wearing, linen Banarasi, but very soft, lightweight, and these are not the Bengal linens, these are from Varanasi, so the texture will be different, and it has a light sheen because it's dual tone and with a touch of zari, touch of tissue. And see the Meena, this is just the dupians that I show you usually, these kind of borders, but those are in silk, these are cotton base, linen base. So see the subtle border, the pallu, 3350 rupees. The color is lime green, and royal blue color combination with big butta throughout the sari and lovely contrast brocade woven blouse piece. See the blouse piece. The blouse is attached, stitched separately. This is the blouse piece. It's a woven blouse piece. It will have this border. Lemonish lime green. I mean, it's actually lime skin color. 3350. And with this, like what I'm wearing, you can wear this blouse also. This is 2990 rupees. Without cups, we have sizes. Net thread work sleeves. Pure raw silk blouse. Closed neck, boat neck kind, and this is the back. 2990, pure raw silk, thread work, Ari Kashmiri thread work blouse, 2990. And the one that I'm wearing, this is also a similar fabric with jal weave. This has a jal weave. Jal weave, and this is the pallu. This is the blouse piece. 3350. This is the blouse piece with this. 3350 rupees. Now similar one, I'll show you more colors. Number 14, peach color. Tailoring orders are being accepted. So if you want to do the tailoring of the blouses, we'll send you the pattern, and after stitching it, we can ship it to you. Or you can even pick up from the branch. 3350, peach with orangish peach color combination, jal Banarasi weave. Soft, very soft, lightweight, and very comfortable. This is the rich brocade woven blouse. This is slightly different color than what I am wearing. You can see from this thing. This is in sea green color. Mine is lime green color. This is a bit sea green color. So same weave, different colors. Pastels, all in pastels for the summer. $3350. Again the woven blouse piece. Some beautiful traditional Chanderi, product number 162990, 2990 rupees, white and Dude Halta red. It's not the scarlet red, it's a Dude Halta red, little pinkish red, matte red, beautiful with gold weave, and see the lovely polka all over weave. It's beautiful, sober looking traditional Banarasi sari in Chanderi, soft and very comfortable also, I'm sure you can understand, with tassels. Price only 2990. Here is the sari with the contrast red blouse piece. See? This is the actual color of the border. It's a two-tone red color with the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. It will have zari in both the side, and see, it's a very traditional combination of white and red, and only 2990. Similar combination but a different weave. This has the, that was had buta, the round circle polka, and this has the floral weave buta, and this has the satin woven border. This is a brighter red, that is a subtle red. I'm sure you can understand the difference. See the bright woven border in red. Pallu. So this is 3250, around 250 to 60 rupees more than the previous one. 3250. Here is the sari and this is the blouse. Sober, very sober looking both side border blouse piece. See, the blouse piece is so pretty color. Now some Zari Kota gold weave, product number 183800. In the description, the details of the price, the material, it's all written there, so you can have a look. Please go through the video if you want to see the product once more. 3800, see the beautiful weave. It's the whole weave is in gold with little touch of white meena in this, so that's where the weave is standing out. You can wear it with lots of gold jewelry, you can wear it with contrast jewelry, you can wear it with a contrast blouse or even the same gold brocade blouse, you can wear it with red, you know it. You can really stylize the sari in multiple ways. This is the blouse piece, woven brocade blouse piece in gold. Multiple options you can get. It will look very good with coffee color blouse, maroon color blouse, bottle green blouse, red of course, magenta, emerald green, viridian green, anything. And also of course the same blouse piece, 3800 only. Once again I'll show you the weave of the sari. Now some Matka Banarasi in tie and dye. 3250 tie and dye Matka Banarasi. blended matka with woven zari border, rich woven peacock zari border, traditional. And see, the tie and dye has been done in hand. The bandhej 3250, soft, lightweight. See the back side of the product. Very, very neat finish, even though these are not handloom. See the back side of the sari, the finish. You can understand how skilled even these workers are, just to keep the range economical. And this is the blouse piece, see, with such rich woven blouse piece. Matka Banarasi bandhej, tie and dye. Only 3250. So in this I'll show you quickly few colors which have come. Red, shibori type of dyeing. It's clamp dyeing actually. (3250) red. Beautiful red. See the blouse. This blouse can be worn with so many more sarees. Something a bit sober. Beige color. See the combination, brown and beige, it's looking so pretty. Rich pallu, only 3250. See this tie and dye is looking so smart in this Banarasi. Blouse piece. The last one, it's in wine color, tie and dye, same price, only the color changes. The previous one, the first one in this series was in Rani, and this is wine. (3250). Many new stocks are on the way. The Banarasis have come, the Tussar Banarasi crepes, everything we will be showing you one by one in each of the episodes. All those who are waiting for the Koras, the Tussar Banarasi, everything is there now. So we'll be doing fresh episodes very soon. So keep watching. And the last one is just similar to what I'm wearing. I'll not be opening. I'll just show you. This is slightly different weave. Mine is the floral weave, and this is the beautiful chota weave, little smaller weave than what I'm wearing. See the border. So its color is same, only the border and the weave is little different. Same price. The neck piece that I'm wearing, it's a very heavy quality stone premium neck piece along with lovely, see you can understand from the earring how rich the set is. 4,900 rupees the whole set in royal blue. Yes, it is a bit heavy because it's absolutely the stone is semi precious, very good quality stone, and see how well this has been engraved. 4,900 is the set, and the sari price I've already told you. Thank you so much. ভালো থাকবেন, শোরুমে আসুন, অনেক স্টক আছে। Myself, লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত।